Hi everyone, it's Suzanne here. Today I want to quickly show you my daughter's 21st birthday explosion box. My daughter is a massive Harry Potter fan, so I decided to make her this for her birthday. So the papers that I used have come from Auntie Vera Scrap and Craft, and some I had to print off the internet. So on the lid I bought this little figurine. These bits are from the paper pack that I bought. I did make a couple of wands just from chopsticks from the cheap shop, and I also made the golden snitch there, and you can see the wands there as well. So the golden snitch is just a ping pong ball that I painted, and I just made the wings with some silver paper. Okay, so that's the lid, and the outside I've just put the 4 houses: Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Gryffindor and Slytherin. So my daughter is a Slytherin girl. And you take the lid off and it opens up to, so I'll just hold these up. So these I've just covered with some brick paper and then used a cut apart sheet and some of the ephemera pack to decorate the inside. So there's Dobby and Mandrake. So it's really just a collage of different bits, and in the bottom I've put her card. So was kind of hard for me because it's not my style. I usually make flowery kind of things, so this was pretty tough for me to make, but because she loves Harry Potter I gave it a go. So this is the top of the inside box, and that's just a print off that I got from the internet, and these are a cut apart sheet, and then the inside is just some more cut aparts and some of the other paper that I got from Auntie Vera. And down in the bottom I used a Harry Potter die that I got from Auntie Vera as well, the Slytherin one, because like I said, my daughter is a Slytherin fan. So that is what I've been doing. It's kind of, oops, sorry, it has consumed a lot of my time. I wanted it to be something special for her because it is a quite a important milestone when you reach your 21st birthday. Okay, so there it is. Thank you so much for having a look. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.